What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. Today I have my most expensive beater box. If you caught the last video, I told you guys I got my most expensive box coming. This box ran me 1,190 bucks, so almost $1,200. I'd be lying if I say I wasn't excited to see what was inside of this box. The box underneath this one, I think I got like $1,000 box a while ago. When it comes to me with buying boxes, it really doesn't matter what price it is. I just try to get in and get out. It's a first come first serve basis whenever you buying boxes. So I just try to get whatever I can in my cart and get out. And luckily I was able to strike a big one today. So like I said, I got high hopes for it. $1,190 is a lot of money you spend on mystery shoes. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box, like I said, from a company called Soul Supremacy out of California. I still get a lot of people asking about membership programs and stuff like that, how to get in or whatever. I have no clue, man. You have to follow them on Twitter for all of that. So Soul Supremacy for the new subs, man. We're gonna jump right in this one, man. This box was from the May 5th drop. They didn't have a drop on May 12th, so it's been hard for me to kind of let this box sit here because I wanted to have something to upload for you guys. So I had to wait and wait because I knew I wasn't gonna have anything else to upload if I didn't wait. First, off top of this box, I got a lot of brown boxes. You guys know what the brown boxes are. Most of y'all do. First off, I got an NMD R1. NMD R1 size 10. Looks to be in pretty good condition. Oh, I know what these are. These are the Champ exclusive joints. I had the other pair. I think they did 2 or 3 pair. I know for sure. I know for sure at least 2. I had a pair in my collection. This is the other colorway that they had. Champs exclusive NMDs R1s. Pretty clean, really clean. Check out the bottom. You guys probably can't see the inside, but overall, very good condition. NMDs, I like them, but they look horrible on my feet, man, so I had to pass on them. Size 10. Got a Nike box. Air Vapor Max 95. And without even opening this box, I probably can tell y'all what it is. This is a size 5.5 in men, size 7 in women's. I've gotten this shoe so many times, and yep, I want to say they hot lava. I had looked them up on GOAT because I think I got them in my last box or the box before. And everybody in the beater box community's been getting. Everybody whose video I've been watching been picking up this same shoe. This shoe is dead stock. This is not a great size. 5.5 in men's. I didn't know men's went down to a 5.5. That's what's up. Next up, I got a Puma. I got the Thunder Spectra. Puma Thunder Spectra in a size 8.5. No, size 9.5 in US, 8.5 in UK. So we got a 9.5 in the Spectras. These things look like a size 12. You guys probably seen this shoe around. This is my first time seeing it in hand. I've seen it in pictures a million times. This really isn't my cup of tea. Got the original receipt. Dead stock, size 9.5. The materials on these feel real good though, I will say that. And I do like Pumas, just not like those. I'm gonna say these brown boxes to last. This right here lately has been my favorite box of all shoes. You guys know it's that Vapor Max box. Since I started my little fitness journey, Vapor Maxes are my go-to, and Hirachis. These are size 8.5, so won't be keeping them. And these look like this, so I will keep them anyway. I don't know what these are called, man. I don't know about these at all, but they are dead stock. Check out the bottom. I've never seen this. Vapor Max. It almost looks like a Griffey cleat to me. I remember those Nike Griffey cleats, Swingman cleats. It looked like they stole something off of that. Well, I guess they couldn't steal them because they was Nike too, but yeah. 10 in women's, 8.5 in men's on those. So we got 3 pair, or we got 4 pair down here. We got 3 pair left, total of 7. I got a 350, size 8. Size 8, 350 Yeezy. Let's see which one. I didn't look at the color. Let's see what we got. Alright. We got the zebra joints. Dead stock zebras. And I want to say this is my first time pulling this shoe. The zebra size 8 dead stock. Out of the V2s, man, this is probably like my top, in my top 3 of the V2s, the zebras are. Yeah, dead stock. Oh, here's the other one with the tag still on it. So that's good. That'll move really fast. That will move really fast. I got a 700 size 10.5. Yeezy 700 size 10.5. I've been pulling 700s a lot. And I've been pulling this shoe a lot. You guys been watching the channel know I've been getting this shoe. This is probably my 4th pair of these. The Inertia 700 size 10.5. These are dead stock, so I won't be taking out the other one. It's weird, the more I pull the shoe, the more I start to like it a little bit. I don't know. Maybe because I'm seeing it more. Size 10.5, my size. Probably still not gonna keep it. Those are dead stock too, man, so we pulled a lot of dead stock shoes. Size 12, we got another 350. Boom. Size 12. Alright, we got the green stripe Yeezys. Man, that'd be crazy if these was dead stock. They're not dead stock. But check out the bottom. Very minimal wear. Very minimal wear. 350 on there. Size 12. No receipt as far as I can see in the box. But they came from Soul, so we know they good. Check out the bottom again. Try to get you guys some good looks at these since these are pre-owned. Size 12 on those. And even though those are used, they're probably worth more than the 2 dead stock Yeezys. I'm happy with this box, man. I got 7 pair and 5 of them were dead stock. 2 pair were not, including a lightly used pair of 350s. And I'm pretty sure with the 3 Yeezys I pulled, this alone, this box is gonna do pretty well. So I'm very happy with it. $11.90. I will buy them all day like this. I don't know if I'm gonna have a video next week. Like I said, they didn't have a drop. But I'll probably upload this one in a few days. So we'll see, man. We'll see. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that sub button if you just stumbled upon this channel. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram. Hit the sub button here, eBay, everywhere at TGOTSOLE. I always got random stuff. Like I said, most of the boxes I get sometimes don't even make a video, so it's a lot of boxes. Always trying to find stuff for you guys to cop, man. So make sure you hit that sub button. I'm gonna quit rambling, get out y'all face. I'm out. Peace.